Hello everybody, it's Kim.
Okay.
And today we are at the park.
Yep.
And we just had a little mini photo shoot for myself for my blog and stuff. And for us, just little cute little photos.
Okay.
Quality time.
Yeah.
And it's really nice out here. Nice.
Quality time.
And it's really nice out here. Unless I gotta tilt it like that because it's just the height difference. It's like a I'm going the wrong way. We can't even go out that way. But I guess we're gonna vlog today. You guys can just come on our day.
The
Right?
day is almost over.
Okay, well, come with us for the remaining of our day. Would you like to hold the camera?
No.
With the phone? What kind of help is this?
She got it.
She got it, but this is an arm workout.
So you gonna pass it off to me?
Yeah, I'm gonna pass it on to you. Beamer code. Beamer bro. It's so nice out here. You guys need to see this. Let me see. It's really nice. It's really pretty. And now we're going in the car to get some drinks because we're thirsty. What you got for me? Some pina colada? Do I have flowers in my hair? I do. In the back. I think. Oh, wait. It may be on the side. Over here up front. Can you see it? Hey, y'all. My eye makeup is crazy. Don't mind it.
Go take on the other side.
Hmm?
Go take on the other side.
She's right here. Here, you hold the camera while I... Look. You just dropped my phone.
So as you can see, we went to Chipotle. These fucking mosquitoes starting to bite me up, meaning we're gonna have to leave soon. I can't deal with mosquitoes. That's my least favorite part about summer. It's mosquitoes, because they be dead all winter long. Summer come.
Summer comes.
I love summer though. It's my favorite season.
It's spring now, right? Oh no, summer
spring is. I don't think summer
don't start
started.
till June.
Right.
This is bad lighting. You need to tilt it up some or something. No, not like that. Bring it over here. No. Yes, like that. I can't see myself. I need my glasses. I feel like a blind bat. You gonna make any comments on my skirt?
No, it look good.
Does it look too short on the camera?
Babe looks good today.
Thanks. Thanks you.
I'm thirsty.
Yeah, not just in your mouth. Let me see that.
Girl.
Camera time is wonderful. So, are you enjoying your day? I am too. We really had a good time. Like, it's been lit.
It's really lit.
On our first vlog. Even though it's just a one short video, but it's cool. So, what did I learn today? I learned that definitely taking this walk. This is somewhere that we started. No, we came here when we were friends in the beginning. And it's just really nice to be back here. And just walking and just feel the vibe and remember like all the memories and stuff. And she ain't really paying attention because she's really thirsty. But it was really nice. And just being out in nature. Just like a reminder.
Every time I get to like really moments that I like really enjoy life, it makes me think about the quote that I got from that store.
Oh, uh-huh.
And I think I got it right here. I'll leave it in the car. It says, I don't know if you guys can read it.
The trick is to enjoy life.
Yes.
Don't wish away your days waiting for better ones ahead. That's so true. You can get so caught up in it just trying to make things better that you don't even enjoy the present. And I feel like this was like a wake-up call for that, right? When you be out in nature and you just like really are forced to just realize like what is now and not what was and what will be. Yeah, it's pretty dope.
But focus on the now.
Focus on it now.
Because the now is the only thing that you have control of.
Yeah.
Every second that goes by the past, and you can no longer change. What just happened a few seconds ago, but you can control now.
Yeah.
Right now.
Right now.
Right.
Like Janae said, she said, there's no place quite like here, and there's no better time than now. Can I get a hello?
Hello, sister.
Hello, sister.
Man, that lemon was good.
It was. I wish you gave me some.
I got another one.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, we eat lemons. They're good.
That's all we eat. Fruit.
No, not either.
We're raw vegans.
No, we're not.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-mm.
We're raw vegans. Damn, man, I didn't want you to eat the whole thing.
Where's the other one? Go.
I got lemons, not you.
Anyway, I think we're gonna end this.
Yeah.
All right. Y'all stay up.
Peace.
Stay blessed.
Be blessed. Manifest.
Ooh, stay blessed, manifest. Ooh, stay blessed, manifest, be life, and give light. Hey, but
We out.
be light and give life. We out.